Alright, let's do an unboxing video. I've never done one of these before, but we have two Taurus 605s. We have the 605 polymer and we have the standard 605 that's all metal. We'll go ahead and open up both boxes. Can I do these at the same time? That way you see the similarities and the differences in between the two. Now they come with the paperwork. This was on the trigger guard. It's not on there now. It's got some bull crap for, you can save money by buying some stuff from them. It's got the lifetime warranty paperwork, lead exposure. That way you don't get lead poisoning. And it's got the instruction manual for the polymer handgun. First, let's look at the paperwork on this one too. It's got the same paperwork, exact same paperwork actually. We'll go ahead and just discard all that. You've already seen it. And it's got a different manual. This one is for the all steel revolvers. And that's how you lock one of these out. Look at that. It's kind of, I would have put it through the barrel, but whatever. Now we'll take a look at the guns themselves. And this also came with some kind of a weird cock ring. I'm not sure what it is, what it's for. But whatever. Throw that over there. We'll take a look at the polymer one first. This one kind of intrigues me a bit. Never had a polymer revolver. So we'll go ahead and pull it out of the bag. It says Taurus on the bag. It's all fancy. Bet that cost extra. Open her up. She's got the retaining ring or safety ring or whatever the hell you want to call it ring in there. And that's a 5-shot 357. We'll go ahead and pop open the other 605. Same fancy bag. Now this is also another 5-shot 357 revolver. Biggest difference between the two is this one is all metal. This one is metal and polymer. The all metal one comes with a set of keys because this has basically the same thing that the Smith has for a lock with a Hillary hole, except on this one it's on the back of the hammer. And on the 605 it is right there on the side of the frame on the right side next to the cylinder. The polymer 605 comes with a set of keys and an Allen wrench. The reason it comes with an Allen wrench is if you notice, the grip on the polymer is a little bit bigger than the one on the all metal. Well, it comes with an extra grip module, or grip, or stocks, whatever nomenclature you want to use. Everybody's different. Some people argue about it. I don't have enough time to argue about something that stupid. But this is a grip. So it comes with a shorter screw. And as you can see, it's a smaller grip for concealed carry if you want to carry in your pocket or in a holster in a jacket. Me personally, I like the smaller grips on these smaller revolvers because that one there, I get like, 3 fingers on. This one you can get 3 fingers on because it has this weird little notch in the bottom. So you somewhat get that on. Let's go ahead and put the small grip module on the 605 polymer. I dropped it. All right, we'll go ahead and pop off the longer grip module. There we go. It just slides out of there. See, it's got a little oil on it from the factory. Got your mainspring in the back. We'll stick the shorter grip on it. The screw in. Maybe. Allegedly.
2,000 years later.
All right, no. Both these goes, you can hold gun anywhere. That don't hurt me kill. So as you can see, the grip is a lot smaller. You can only get 2 fingers on this one. But it's still about the same length as the all metal one. I've seen a lot of these new polymer ones, they have glue on them. Like you pick them up in a store, look at them, they have like glue hanging off. So I'm guessing they're kind of glued together with some kind of epoxy or some shit. Set that down there. Look at this one. It's basically the same overall size as the 856, which is the 6-shot 38 special. These are 5-shot 357s. So If you want this as opposed to the 856, you have the option of 357 or 38 special. Opens the same manner as the 856. Cylinder release on this one's a little bit different. Not much though, you still push it forward. It's just built a little bit differently because it's a polymer frame. Lockup on it seems pretty nice. And it's pretty good on the all metal one as well. The all metal seems like the lockup is just a hair better, but you know, time will tell. We'll find out because I want to shoot some full house 357 through both of them. See how both of them handle. I'm guessing the all metal one's going to absorb the recoil a little bit better than the polymer 605. But that's it for this video. If you guys like this, please subscribe to the channel, and we're going to have a part 2. We're going to take these out. We're going to shoot them for accuracy, and we're going to see how different the recoil is between the polymer and the all metal, which I'm guessing the, like I said just a few seconds ago, I believe that's going to absorb recoil a little bit better. But, you know, like I say, we'll find out. And we'll try to show the recoil impulse of both of them and how they handle 38 and how they handle 357. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and let's take back our Second Amendment.